What's going on, guys? Whatever it is an ASSA screw-in cylinder. I'm not particularly sure on the model of the lock. All I know, it's just got ASSA in the faceplate and it is a screw-in cylinder. As for the key, we do not have a working key, so unfortunately we cannot see the bitting on that. But if you look at the profile, it is a restricted profile. What that profile is, I have no idea, so we would not be making a key for this anytime soon. I will be picking this. I'm going to be picking it upside down. I usually like to do my locks the right way around, but I've been having trouble with this one, so I'm going to do it whichever way I feel comfortable, and it's this way. So if this was on a working door, it would not be open. That's where you go. There's your hook. It is locked up, guys. That's all the tension applied on that plug. And here we go. A few little clicks from two. Slight give on the plug. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that, my finger's in the way. And there we go, guys. That opened a lot quicker than I expected. I was expecting like a good 3.5 minutes. That's what it usually takes me, so got lucky there. I did. I'm gonna move the vice out of the way. I'm gonna take the screws off, what holds the cam in place. Put them there. Work it from the back. So there's your pins there. I'll take them out one at a time. It's pin 1, it's pin 2, pin 3. If we can get it out. Upside down that. So it's a 5-pin lock. There's your pins there. Pin 1. So I'm zooming for a little bit. You can see a little bit better what I'm doing. Hopefully my hand's not in the way. Pin 1 just flew out there. Pin 2. Pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. So we'll just line them up, you guys can see what's inside. Just take it off there. I'll show you guys if it focuses. There you go. So you just got your ASSA spools, and they're all different sizes. You got your long ones there, it's pin 1, 2. So you got a high lift off the pin 1, and it goes deep, high, deep. So it's low, high, low. Opened really quick on that pick. I was quite lucky there. Like I said, it usually takes me a lot longer than that. I'm quite happy with that pick indeed, and it was upside down as well, so that was more beneficial to me. That was on the door. I would have a lot of hard time getting it open. You're picking it the right way, can't even talk, the right way around. But everyone, thanks for watching, and cheers.